You know what's crazy? Most people think getting rich is about doing something big, like one huge opportunity, one lucky break. But honestly, wealth is usually built in a very boring way. It's called compounding. And the funny part is, it doesn't look impressive in the beginning. Let's say you invest a little money. Not a lot, just a small amount. At first, nothing really happens. Like, you check your account and think, wait, that's it. But then something interesting starts happening. You're not just earning on your money anymore. You're earning on your earnings. And that's where things start to shift. It's slow. Then suddenly it's not. Think of it like a snowball. At the top of the hill, it's tiny. Almost nothing. But as it rolls down, it picks up more snow. And eventually, it becomes something you can't ignore. That's exactly how money grows. But here's the part most people mess up. They quit too early. Because in the beginning, it feels like it's not working. So they stop investing. They stop being consistent. And they never reach the part where compounding actually gets powerful. The truth is, compounding rewards patience more than intelligence. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to stay in the game long enough. Even small amounts, done consistently, over time, can turn into something big. So yeah, it's not about making quick money. It's about letting time do the heavy lifting. And once you understand that, you stop chasing fast results and start building real wealth. If there's one thing worth being patient for, it's this.